Now, News9 exclusively spoke to Alpha Design Technology CEO and COO. The company, in fact, supplied loitering ammunition drones during Operation Sindoor to the Indian Army. Let's listen into that conversation.
During Operation Sindoor, the entire country was listening to a word called loitering ammunition. And if you don't know what that is, we are here to explain you because we are here at the Alpha Design Technologies, one of the companies that is believed to have supplied the Indian Army with the loitering ammunition. And this is one of the prototypes that is here, which was used in Operation Sindoor, is what we've been told. This is the loitering ammunition, a missile that goes inside, and its main specification is to see the whereabouts of the enemy with the help of this particular camera. So I am not the expert who would give you more idea about this. Let us just go to the people who are making this, sir. Firstly, to you, how proud are you? Because we've heard that the army has used this, whether it has not or they've used it, something that they will let us know later on. But how proud do you feel that this was used?
Yes, sir.
I'll hold it.
Sir, we are extremely proud. Like other partners and suppliers who have supplied to Indian Army, we have also supplied loitering munition, which is a very, very good product. And if it is used, we will be we are very proud about it. And in fact, this is the actual model. It's not a prototype.
Okay.
And we have produced a lot of them, both for Indian consumption and also export to friendly countries.
So, sir, if you could give us an idea of how do you use this and what is the usage of this entire?
Yeah. As the name itself indicates, its name is Sky Striker, but the category is something called as loitering munition. As the name itself says, it loiters and it's an ammunition. So it doesn't carry any bomb or anything. It doesn't hang any bomb. This itself is a bomb. So we can put 5 to 10 kgs of warhead into this, and it will be continuously loitering it. It has got an electro-optic payload over here. This electro-optic payload will be continuously seeing the ground situation. There may be some enemy tanks moving or enemy convoys moving. So it will lock onto that target. After that, the ground control system, GCS we call it, the operator who is controlling this ground control system can select the target and lock onto the target and press the button, then it will go and hit it. Not only that, it can also take the inputs. If you know the enemy coordinate exactly, we can give those inputs to the loitering munition. It will take those inputs and it will hit the target. So it is one of the most potent systems that we have manufactured. We are proud to have supplied it to our armed forces as well as exported to the friendly foreign countries as per the directions of our government. And as I said, it's a very, very small machine. It's battery operated. What you're seeing is 1:1 scale. It is actually the scale, the size is only this much.
So this is the aerodynamics of it. This is the one that monitors. This inside this is where the warhead.
Warhead because explosive sits.
So this directly goes in it, or there is something that comes out of it. And then
No. This itself is a missile or bomb kind of thing. This itself goes and hits. Once it hits the target, then this gets destroyed, and the enemy target also gets destroyed. If this is not used, there is a mechanism to retrieve it back also. So the airbag kind of thing is there. So it gets deployed, and this whole loitering munition can be retrieved back. It's a silent killer, as the name goes. It is a battery operated. It doesn't make any noise. It's a very small in form factor. It is almost invisible to the radar. Radar cross section of this very, very minimal.
So what we were hearing about the loitering ammunition, it is these missiles that have done the largest damage in the enemy territories.
Yeah, these are one of the munitions which have caused extensive damage to the enemy targets, and along with other BVR capabilities.
All right. So we'll also join in by Sir here. Sir, Prime Minister also spoke about how the Make in India initiative is one such that has made a major role in these operations especially, and you're one such company, sir. What are the other things that you're doing along with this?
We are also working on air defense systems. Probably saw a lot of great work by our air defense systems, both S-400, the Pichora systems. We are also working towards indigenizing a lot of them. The radar is one of them. The Pichora missile system, the upgradation of that. These are the work that we are, which is making it completely mechanical. So that's air defense systems. We are also working on C4I, and cyber. That's another topic where it's going to be more and more, warfare is going to be more connected and collaborative. And it is also going to be more autonomous because of the autonomous systems. So that's the second area. Third is electronic warfare. And the fourth, but which is very, very important, they are optics and command systems. So these are the areas, and of course, aerospace structures, aerospace systems. We are also into space systems. So we have a whole range of offerings and products.
Because of the offerings that you're talking about, don't you think the scenario of warfare has also changed? 20 years back, we never had things like these. We had humans going in with guns and shooting each other. And now everyone's on a drone, on a bomber. So has the warfare changed, sir?
So it's going to be more autonomous, more connected, and more collaborative. So, and it's completely going to be network centric. So it's going to be the future of warfare is going to be less people, more systems, more autonomous systems. That's how I see it.
Okay.
So it is more and more electronic warfare nowadays, and it is unmanned, it is beyond visual range, and it is electronic warfare, and it is connected warfare. So without these things, nowadays, warfare cannot happen. See, gone are those old days where the humans carrying those aircraft go deep into the enemy territory, strike back and all. So now it is all beyond visual range and connected warfare.
All right, sir. My last question to you, sir. Now the government has also said that we are on a pause right now. This can continue and Operation Sindoor is not over. So if I would ask you, is Alpha still ready to provide as much as it can to the Indian Army?
We always support. We continue to get a lot of requests even today. We continue to support.
So ever ready?
Always.
So well, that is what we get from Alpha Technologies here, that they're always ready to support the Indian Army in the times of trouble that the country is facing. And this is one such example that was used in Operation Sindoor to damage the neighboring country and the enemy state which is involved in the entire Pahalgam attack, which saw the loss of 26 people. Bringing you this from the Alpha Technologies, Alpha Digital Technologies is me, Mohammad Wajullah, along with my camera person Vishnu.